Hi, thanks for having me. I think the biggest thing was we just weren't shipping confidently anymore. Like every UI change felt heavier than it should have been. We had parts of the product that looked completely different from each other, and yeah, even small updates would turn into these like multi-sprint efforts. And it wasn't back-end issues. That part was actually fine. It was more like the front end had just grown messy over time, no real system, no shared components. So yeah, things slowed down a lot. I think what worked for us was they didn't come in trying to rebuild everything. That would have been a non-starter. They were pretty focused on like, okay, what's actually broken in the experience and how do we fix that without touching everything else? The design system was probably the turning point because it wasn't just here's a guideline, it was like actual components the team could use right away. And yeah, after that, things just got easier. Engineers weren't second guessing UI work, designers weren't redoing specs, it kind of aligned the team again. Yeah, I mean, honestly, yeah. I think we waited longer than we should have. It's one of those things where the product is working, so you don't feel urgency, but internally, things are just inefficient, and that builds up. So, yeah, if I had to go back, I'd probably do this a year earlier. At the very least, you understand what's actually holding you back. Yeah, and overall, I'd say the experience with Hashbyt has been really strong. They understand how to work with legacy products without overcomplicating things. For us, coming from that kind of setup, it just made sense. So, yeah, definitely positive, and I'd recommend them to teams dealing with similar front end challenges.